Hey YouTube, this is Darren, and this is my version of how to properly strap down your quad safely for transport. And my guinea pig today is my 850 Scrambler. Alright, so I got a nice little 4x8 Sterling trailer, and I'm using these Erickson tie-down loaded straps. They come with these here. Come with those. What they do is they wrap around the tire. Allows the suspension to move freely on its own. You won't have any broken straps, anything like that to worry about. And less stress on everything else. Alrighty, let me get this loaded up. Hang on one second. Oops, sorry about that. Alright, so I have them set so you can have them in the front and the back of the wheel. Easy peasy. Don't have to worry about anybody stopping you, even if they do stop you. They shouldn't give you any hassle on properly how to install or tie down your ATV. Give me a second here. They have these little clips. You can see them. Maybe not. Okay. So you get the idea. You wrap it around your tire, very much the same as hauling a car on a trailer. Now your suspension, goes up and down on its own. Don't have to worry about any stress on the components, any stress on the straps. Nice and tight, however you want it. And if you ever lose the bike, the trailer is going with it. Perfect trailer for this bike, at least I think so. Super light, doesn't rust. It's a galvalume. And yeah, so there you go. If you want to properly know how to strap down your quad, this would be the way to do it. At least my way of doing it, and this is how I think is the safest way. Strap it around your tires, bolt those brackets down to your trailer of your choice, and then you can button everything up in long hauls, short hauls. Long hauls I do all 4 tires. Short hauls I'll probably do, or I normally do, one on the front, one on the back. Opposite corners. So if you have any questions about the bike, any questions about the trailer, and the rest of the setup, please comment below, like, share with your friends, and please subscribe. Have a great day.